Hey guys, I'm back with the news of LG G7 ThinQ. Recently, the news of LG G7 was on fire, and the main man Alice again spoiled the party early. Yes, you are looking at the 7th generation G series smartphone. First off, I want to say that it does not look like this. Look at this, it has a top and bottom chin are quite thick and still it has a notch. But that's not true, and Blass clears that out and gives us a clear view of LG G7. First of all, look at the screen. The screen is so big, and according to information, the display of LG G7 is 6.1-inch tall screen with 19:9 aspect ratio. The resolution of the display is going to be 3120 by 1440 pixels. And on the back side, the cameras are located on a vertical array, and the flash is placed at the side of the cameras. The fingerprint sensor is placed right below to the camera lens, and below the fingerprint sensor, here's the G7 ThinQ branding. On the top side, here's the SIM card tray, and on the bottom side, here's the speakers, USB-C connector, and the most useful feature, headphone jack, is still alive. Thanks LG. On the left side, here's the volume rocker and dedicated Google Assistant button, and it's the first phone to come with dedicated Google Assistant button. And on the right side, here's a power button. So yeah, everything is here about the LG's upcoming LG G7. Now let me know what you guys think about it, and please subscribe for more upcoming videos. And yeah, see you soon.